Hi, my name's Eric. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and testing the Shure MV51 professional home studio microphone. The MV51 has a sampling rate of 24-bit, 48 kHz. It's a large diaphragm condenser microphone with plug-and-play recording functionality, 5 DSP preset modes, and real-time headphone monitoring. Once in the box, you'll be greeted by a user guide, a limited warranty card, some other paperwork that I didn't read, and a manual telling you, hey, if you're using Windows, turn up the headphone volume. A box within a box. It's almost like boxception. Yes, terrible jokes exist in this video. It's great. Immediately you're greeted by the microphone, a 5/8 to 3/8 inch stand adapter, and 3 USB cables. What are these USB cables, you may be wondering to yourself? Ooh, look at that, a micro B to Type-C. A micro B to Type-A. And a micro B to Lightning? Yes, the MV51 is compatible with iOS devices using Lightning. Right out of the box, it's a nice looking mic. Feels about as solid as any other Shure product that you will lay your hands on. Unsatisfying peel, I didn't record audio. On the front of the mic you'll see where you talk into in addition to the controls. On the back you'll see the micro B port, the zero latency monitoring headphone jack, and the kickstand. The kickstand, you unscrew it, there's your 5/8 inch stand adapter. So you can screw it right into any standard microphone mount, or with the included 3/8 inch adapter, you can put it on any boom arm. Similarly to the rest of the Shure's MV lineup, the touch controls are fairly straightforward to use. There's a slider on the bottom to adjust your headphone and gain. There is a mute button, and then there are 5 DSP presets. There is a flat mode, a speech mode, and other ones that I don't use at all. And that's it. And conclusion time. Would I buy this microphone again? Or am I going to keep it? No, I'm returning it. I don't think it sounds that good. I'm going to compare it to the MVI motif interface connected to a large diaphragm condenser in about 3, 2, 1. And now you're listening to audio from my large diaphragm condenser microphone, which was an MXL 990, modded with parts from microphoneparts.com, connected directly to the Shure MVI motif digital audio interface on the flat DSP preset. And this is what it sounds like compared to the Shure MV51. And that's it. Hope you had a good time. See you next week with another video.